Hello and welcome. What an amazing place we're at today. You may recognise this. This is Icmeler. Stunning, idyllic location. It is quite recognisable from my most popular video. That will be in the description below. It was cobbled together really, quite a short video. We're going to go a bit more in depth. I realised that a lot of people actually quite like this location and would be more interested to find out a bit more about it. So that's what we're going to do today. We are going to explore Icmeler a little bit more in depth. We are going to still go to that little Turkish Casper's, but I'm going to show you how to get there a lot better. We're also, hopefully, fingers crossed if they don't chicken out, send the boys on a speedboat to go around the marina in a little inflatable and see if we can drown one of them at least. But anyway, enough about that. Let's get going.
'Cause I'm like a fine wine. I get better with time. I get better with time. Better with time. Better with time. I'm like a fine wine.
So we've decided to stop halfway for a little refreshment drink of Pepsi. They didn't have Powerade, but we've got a stunning view. Highly recommend this bar. It has got like all these fans and mist sprayers everywhere. Take a look at this. So it's blowing lovely cold misty air into our faces, over our bodies. Really refreshing. To show you on our way out what the bar's called, but I highly recommend it. Prices of the drinks are a little higher than the rest, but it is the coolest place in Icmeler to have a drink. We're fully under shade here and it's just very chill and relaxing. We've got an absolutely stunning view out to sea. Look at that. See right into Marmaris town there, all the way down towards probably Fethiye in the valley. Fantastic. But we're going to have this and then we're going to get the kids on the boat and drown them. Right, so we've just freshened up at the Tiki beach bar. Fantastic, very refreshing, very cool inside and not too bad a price. Now we're on our way to go on something called the Mabel. Well, I'm not. I'm going to be flying the drone and watching them get drowned. Let's check it out. Well, that was absolutely amazing. The kids thoroughly enjoyed themselves. They paid for the photo package, that was £20. The company we used is Icmeler Water Sports. Highly recommend. I will leave a little link in the description below, but it looked amazing fun. I can't wait to see the video back. But anyway, we're now off to Wakkapoo, so just follow us and we'll show you the way to go. So to get to Wakkapoo, and I could be saying this wrong, I don't know, but it's easiest to go from the beach, if you are at the beach, and follow one of the canals north to the main road that's got the roundabout. It's also got like a double M Migros and a few other shops, but you'll definitely know you're there because it will be the main road that the Dolmuş runs left to right, right to left. So let's join us and go and get a fake Casper's. Come on. So as you're walking up towards the main high street, you're going to see that this is a nice canal. This is like what I call the Turkish Venice. It's beautiful. There's all these little boats here. I think they're private. I don't think you can hire them, but it's amazing. Look at this. On such a beautiful day as well. It's joyous, absolutely joyous. Right, as you carry on up the canal, you're going to think I'm a little bit lost because you need to carry on past. There's a road that goes left to right. It's quite narrow, but that's not the road you need. You need to carry on up north and head to the double M Migros. If you're not sure, just ask the local and they'll show you the way. But you just keep going past the canal up north, double M Migros. Simple. Right, we've given in. We've got halfway, but the temperature's absolutely rotten. And we've gone into the local shop to get ourselves a nice cold drink. Nice bottle of water, something refreshing, keep the kids hydrated. Oh my god, I swear, god, 80% of this video is just going to be us inhaling water. It's much needed. You've got to keep it. Keep yourself hydrated. Wow, it's just getting hotter as well. It's 11:30, quarter to 12, and we're hitting 40 degrees Celsius now, but what do you expect? It's August. We'll power through.
I would probably have that alone. Nothing
I
else.
think that is.
Well, we've just come from Wakkapoo, which I found out that's what it's actually called, not Wakkapoo. We are absolutely stuffed. Amazing Sugar Rush. Really good food, really good service. I will say one thing though, my youngest does have a nasty peanut allergy, and the guy couldn't do enough to make sure that there was no cross-contamination there whatsoever. So big thumbs up on that one. If I'm really kind, what I'll do is I'll draw a diagram on a map over this little video somewhere, kind of just here or somewhere in the video, and make it easier for you to get to. It did start to get busy, so I recommend getting there for before 12 o'clock, say 11:30, if you were going to have desserts, because it was about 1:45, 1 o'clock when we were leaving, and the place was absolutely rammed. Perhaps they watched my previous video, because last year it was really empty, very unknown, but a lot of you people have watched that. A lot. That's my most popular video. Didn't think it would be, but there we go. What we're going to do now is we're making our way back towards the beachfront, but via the mini bazaar and some of the shops. Going to do a little bit of shopping, a little bit of tourism shopping. I think Mindy, she wants to pick up some Crocs, and I might get some like plain t-shirts. Hopefully they do big boy styles. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. Join us as we go towards the mini Grand Bazaar at Icmeler.
I should have brought my sunglasses.
Yeah. Did you not bring your sunglasses?
No. Yeah. And I hear we as well.
So cheers for the love, cheers for the life, cheers for the memories we get with time. So cheers for
Having a little bit of a spend up on some clothes, and I even got myself some big boy clothes, as they call it. Highly recommend, best bargain buys. We have shopped there a couple times before. Quality has always been good. Never had a bad product from there, although they did try to give me a fake £5 note in change, so keep your eye out for that. But we're now going to make our way down to the seafront, where we'll get a water taxi back to Marmaris, because I think we're done here. We are spent. We've overeaten, overshopped. Let's go. Well, it's the morning from the day after of Icmeler, and we decided actually to change getting a water taxi to just going for the Dolmush. We worked it out and it was 200 lira per person for the water taxi, which equated to 1,200 lira for the 6 of us, which is a lot of money compared to 180 lira for the Dolmush. It was also factored in, we just missed the taxi boat. They run every half an hour, and we didn't want to wait half an hour as well. We just wanted to get back to our hotel, changed, and then go do a few bits. But thank you very much for watching though. Do leave a comment down below if you'd like to see anything different. Little cheeky subscribe, brilliant. But for now, I will leave you with some stunning shots of Icmeler. To the next one.